Learn a language by speaking. You have so many to choose from and they're free. Role plays, natural conversation, translation, the works. If you don't know what to say, you have 3 options. And grammar. Gliglish is the best AI to learn a language, by far. Now there's a free update. What is it? Grammar. Role plays at the airport, at the restaurant, at the doctor, at the supermarket, wherever you want. You can either sign up or not, your choice. So first choose a language. 2 options, you can choose a situation, a role play, or just talk to Gliglish. Let's choose a situation. This is just a little snippet at the airport.
Thank you. Could you please confirm your flight details and destination?
Well, my flight destination is Australia and I should be leaving at 8 today.
Okay, now let's delve into the update, which you're going to love. Still at the beginning though. So introducing grammar. Again, choose your language. The thing is, you have the explanation, the written explanation, and you also can listen to the example sentences.
I drink a lot of water. I go there all the time.
So this is the present simple example. You have the explanation, you have the example sentences, the usage. So what's my take in this feature? I think it's lovely. I think it's amazing. I think it's a beginning. Why? Because it lacks exercises. You need more exercises to practice, and you should have other things you can listen to. But the main thing is it lacks on exercises. So I would say this is a work in progress because you only have a few items. They're letting out more features, I think, and this is going to be very, very good, but it's still at the beginning. Let's check another item. The future. As always, if you like these videos, do check out my other playlist because I have so many free AI tools for you to learn a language and other amazing tools for your projects and everything you want, free with AI. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you. Thanks so much for being here with me. Bye bye for now. Thank you.